friends, how are you all? Welcome back to Create with Future. So my mother is going to make delicious halwa. Without any delay, let's get started.
During the festival season, everybody gets excited seeing sweets. Today we are gonna prepare a little healthier version of aate ka halwa, which is gonna be so delicious. To prepare aate ka halwa, here I have taken 1 cup gehu ka atta, which is also known as wheat flour. We are making a little healthier version of this halwa, so here I have taken 1 cup brown sugar, but you can also use white sugar if you want. 3/4 cup ghee, which is also known as clarified butter. Half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, but this is optional. Cardamom powder gives beautiful aroma to the halwa and delicious flavor. Also, I have taken some dry fruits. In that I have walnuts, some almonds, some cashew nuts and some pistachios. You can use 1 or 2 types of dry fruits and quantity as per your preference. Also 1 cup water. Here I have taken the chopper. In that I will add all the dry fruits. Some cashew nuts we will save for garnishing. Now we will chop the dry fruits. You can also cut dry fruits by hand or you can use grinding machine for that. By any ways, but the dry fruits should look like this. Remaining cashew nuts we will cut into half. Let's prepare the sugar syrup first. Here I have taken a saucepan. In that I am adding 1 cup of water, green cardamom powder, brown sugar. Now switch on the flame and boil this water. This will turn into brown sugar syrup. When sugar is completely melted, switch off the flame and keep the saucepan aside. Now here I have taken a kadhai. In that I am gonna sieve the wheat flour. After that, switch on the flame on medium-low and start roasting this wheat flour. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring all the time, otherwise the flour will start burning. When the flour turns little brown and you start getting the fragrance of the roasted flour, then add 4 tablespoons ghee. Then again on the medium-low flame we will start roasting the flour along with the ghee. Roasting twice with ghee and without ghee will give beautiful texture and delicious flavor to this halwa. We will again roast this for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low flame. Keep stirring it while roasting. After roasting for a couple of minutes, it has got the beautiful brown color. Now is the time to add the sugar syrup that we prepared earlier. Be very careful while adding the sugar syrup. Also keep stirring all the time. Right now you will be thinking that's a lot of sugar syrup, but trust me guys, this is gonna get a perfect consistency. Keep mixing all the time, otherwise halwa will become lumpy. Slowly halwa is becoming thick. Keep giving gentle press to the spatula while mixing. That way we will be able to remove all the lumps. Friends, if you are new to my channel and like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. As you can see how thick this halwa has turned. After removing all the lumps, we will add the dry fruits. Give them a mix. Then add 2 tablespoons ghee. Again give them a good mix. Cook this halwa for another 6 to 7 minutes on medium-low flame. Slowly adding ghee will give beautiful texture to this halwa and it will give beautiful flavor as well. Add 1 more tablespoon ghee and mix. Our mouth-watering delicious halwa is ready. Transfer that to another bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoon ghee. Garnish this delicious halwa with some cashew nuts. Serve it to yourself, your family, your friends or your lovely guests. This halwa is so easy to make that you can make anytime whenever you want. And I'm sure this halwa will be able to satisfy your sweet tooth.
So delicious. Try this recipe out. If you like this recipe, give a big thumbs up to the video. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay healthy. Now, bye-bye.